So I'm finishing tightening my screws right here. I never done YouTube videos, but I'm very proud of myself and very happy to have people that dedicate themselves to helping people like me with problems that arise, like not having a washer working. I was doing my laundry and it stopped working, and it turned out to be the lid switch. So I have other videos, pictures. Hopefully, I know how to upload this to YouTube so somebody else out there can benefit from it, like I did. And but anyway, so it works. I'm very, very excited, and I just want to thank everybody that educate people like me to get some of our problems fixed. Thank you so much, all YouTubers out there that help us regular people here fix our problems. Thanks again.